Preparing for an earthquake is crucial for several reasons related to safety, survival, and minimizing damage. Earthquakes can happen without warning and can cause severe damage to buildings, infrastructure, and the environment, leading to potential injuries or loss of life. How to prepare for an earthquake? Knowing what to do during and after an earthquake can significantly reduce your risk of injury or death. Having a well-stocked emergency kit with food, water, medical supplies, and other essentials can be life-saving, especially if utilities are cut off or if you are unable to leave your home for an extended period. Prepared individuals tend to be more resilient and are able to make more rational decisions during crises. During an earthquake, follow these steps to protect yourself. Don't panic. Drop down onto your hands and knees. Cover your head and neck with your arms to protect yourself from flying debris and falling objects. If you are outdoors, move away from buildings, streetlights, and utility wires. Remember, safety is the priority after an earthquake. Be cautious of aftershocks. Check yourself for injuries and others around you, and carefully move to a safe location if needed. Stay informed about the situation through local news or a reliable information source, and follow the guidance of local authorities.